guys, and welcome to another video. Today I got something a little bit different for you. As you can see behind me, we have a Toyota 86 that is just a bit too quiet. So we're gonna take care of that with a catback exhaust. And actually we got a really good deal on an Invidia exhaust, about half off retail. It's only about 2 months old. There is an issue with the Y pipe. It is cracked a little bit, so we're gonna head and weld that up, take care of that. Once we got it all welded up, we'll go ahead and install it on the car. We'll give you a before clip of the sound and then an after. This car already has a Invidia front pipe, catless front pipe on it. That's all it's got on it so far. So if you notice a little louder in the before clip, that is why. We'll give you an after so you guys can hear that as well. All right guys, this is the Y pipe right here. As you can see, that is our crack. Looks like the previous owner possibly bottomed out or something like that. But we'll have to cut off that logo and go ahead and weld that up, and then we'll tack it and weld that logo back on. Maybe we'll see a little better. Yeah, there's the crack right there. Some installed. You'll only need a 14 mil socket and wrench. Every bolt's a 14, super nice and easy. The mufflers, they attach to the factory rubber isolator bushings on both sides. We got our Y pipe coming in here, which also locates at a factory rubber isolator right there. And then we bolt up to the mid pipe, which goes into the front pipe. We'll need a total of 3 2.5-inch gaskets for these joints here, and then the factory style gasket for the front to mid pipe. All right, let's get it fired up and see what it sounds like. Alrighty guys, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Please let me know in the comment sections below what you'd like to see us modify to this vehicle for this project. I have a few things in mind already. Some suspension upgrades are going to be coming, as well as a possible power adder. So please comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see done to this Toyota 86. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I will catch you next time.